Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? A. Article 14 to 18. B. Article 19 to 22. C. Article 23 to 24. D. Article 25 to 28. Answer. A. Article 14 to 18. Articles 14 to 18 of the Indian Constitution ensure the right to equality, which includes equality before the law, prohibition of discrimination, and abolition of untouchability in titles. Which fundamental right prohibits untouchability? A. Article 14. B. Article 15. C. Article 17. D. Article 19. Answer. C. Article 17. Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. It is punishable by law. Right to freedom is covered under which articles of the Indian Constitution? A. Article 14 to 18. B. Article 19 to 22. C. Article 25 to 28. D. Article 29 to 30. Answer. B. Article 19 to 22. Articles 19 to 22 provide the right to freedom, including freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. Which fundamental right is described as the heart and soul of the Constitution? A. Right to equality. B. Right to constitutional remedies. C. Right to freedom. D. Right to education. Answer. B. Right to constitutional remedies. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called Article 32, Right to Constitutional Remedies, the heart and soul of the Constitution, as it allows individuals to approach the Supreme Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Which article guarantees the right to life and personal liberty? A. Article 14. B. Article 16. C. Article 19. D. Article 21. Answer. D. Article 21. Article 21 states that, no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. Under which article is the right to education provided? A. Article 14. B. Article 19. C. Article 21A. D. Article 24. Answer. C. Article 21A. Article 21A was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2002, making education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years. Which fundamental right was removed by the 44th Amendment Act, 1978? A. Right to property. B. Right to education. C. Right to equality. D. Right against exploitation. Answer. A. Right to property. The 44th Amendment Act, 1978 removed the right to property from fundamental rights and placed it under Article 300A, legal right. Freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed under which article? A. Article 14. B. Article 19, 1A. C. Article 21. D. Article 25. Answer. B. Article 19, 1A. Article 19, 1A guarantees freedom of speech and expression with reasonable restrictions. Which article prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth? A. Article 14. B. Article 15. C. Article 16. D. Article 17. Answer. B. Article 15. Article 15 prohibits discrimination by the state on the mentioned grounds. Which fundamental right protects against forced labor? A. Article 15. B. Article 16. C. Article 23. D. Article 24. Answer. C. Article 23. Article 23 prohibits human trafficking, beggar, forced labor, and other forms of forced labor. Which article provides the right to religious freedom? A. Article 19. B. Article 21. C. Article 25. D. Article 29. Answer. C. Article 25. Article 25 ensures freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. The right against exploitation is covered under which articles? A. Article 19 to 21. B. Article 23 to 24. C. Article 25 to 26. D. Article 29 to 30. Answer. B. Article 23 to 24. These articles prohibit human trafficking, child labor, and forced labor. Which of the following writs means, to produce the body? A. Habeas corpus. B. Mandamus. C. Prohibition. D. Certiorari. Answer. A. Habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a writ issued to release a person illegally detained. Which article provides protection of interests of minorities? A. Article 14. B. Article 25. C. Article 29. D. Article 30. Answer. C. Article 29. Article 29 protects the cultural and educational rights of minorities, allowing them to preserve their language, script, and culture. Under which article can the President suspend fundamental rights during an emergency? A. Article 14. B. Article 19. C. Article 32. D. Article 359. Answer. D. Article 359. Article 359 allows the President to suspend fundamental rights, except Articles 20 and 21, during a national emergency. Which article deals with the protection of life and personal liberty? A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. D. Article 22. Answer. C. Article 21. Article 21 ensures right to life and personal liberty, and has been interpreted to include right to privacy, clean environment, and livelihood. Right to freedom of religion is covered under which articles? A. Article 23 to 24. B. Article 25 to 28. C. Article 19 to 21. D. Article 29 to 30. Answer. B. Article 25 to 28. These articles guarantee religious freedom while imposing certain restrictions in public interest. Right to Education Act, RTE, was implemented in which year? A. 2002. B. 2005. C. 2009. D. 2012. Answer. C. 2009. Right to Education Act, 2009 made education free and compulsory for children aged 6 to 14 years under Article 21A. The Supreme Court's power to issue writs falls under which article? A. Article 32. B. Article 226. C. Article 21. D. Article 19. Answer. A. Article 32. Article 32 empowers the Supreme Court to issue writs for the protection of fundamental rights. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? A. Right to equality. B. Right to freedom. C. Right to vote. D. Right against exploitation. Answer. C. Right to vote. Right to vote is a constitutional right, not a fundamental right. Which of the following writs prevents a lower court from exceeding its jurisdiction? A. Habeas corpus. B. Mandamus. C. Prohibition. D. Certiorari. Answer. C. Prohibition. Writ of prohibition stops a lower court from exceeding its jurisdiction. Which article allows the government to impose reasonable restrictions on fundamental rights? A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. D. Article 22. Answer. A. Article 19. Article 19(2) to 19(6) allows reasonable restrictions on freedom of speech, movement, assembly, etc. Which fundamental right prohibits child labor? A. Article 14. B. Article 17. C. Article 23. D. Article 24. Answer. D. Article 24. Article 24 prohibits child labor under the age of 14 in hazardous industries. The right to privacy was declared a fundamental right under which article? A. Article 19. B. Article 20. C. Article 21. D. Article 22. Answer. C. Article 21. The Supreme Court in 2017 ruled that right to privacy is part of right to life under Article 21. The right to freedom of religion does not include which of the following? A. Freedom to profess any religion. B. Freedom to practice any religion. C. Freedom to establish a theocratic government. D. Freedom to propagate any religion. Answer. C. Freedom to establish a theocratic government. The Indian Constitution does not allow for a theocratic government and ensures a secular state. Which fundamental right allows people to form unions or associations? A. Article 14. B. Article 19, 1, C. C. Article 21. D. Article 25. Answer. B. Article 19, 1, C. Article 19, 1, C provides the right to form associations, unions, and cooperative societies. Which fundamental right is automatically suspended during a national emergency? A. Right to freedom. B. Right to equality. C. Right to constitutional remedies. D. Right to education. Answer. A. Right to freedom. During a national emergency, Article 352, Right to Freedom, Article 19, is automatically suspended. Which case established that Parliament cannot amend the fundamental rights under Article 368? A. Kesavananda Bharti case. B. Goleknath case. C. Manerva Mills case. D. Menka Gandhi case. Answer. B. Goleknath case. In Goleknath vs. State of Punjab, 1967, the Supreme Court ruled that Parliament cannot amend fundamental rights under Article 368.